So now you can see here, this is the shaft which is having a slot, a rectangular slot, a key, that is the piece of metal, rectangular piece of metal will be fitted inside this thing. So halfway it will be inside this shaft and half of that metal piece will be inside the coupling. Okay, the simplest kind of coupling yesterday we have seen is this kind of coupling. This is the muff coupling. In this muff coupling, this is like a cylindrical part having a hole, and here we are going to insert this shaft like this. Okay, this way the shaft we are going to insert here, and between these two parts, these two slots, we are going to insert the key. So what will happen if the key is there, then if it is rotated, this also will rotate. Okay, on the other side of this thing there is another shaft inserted. Okay, दुसऱ्या साइडला दुसरा शाफ्ट आपण असाच इन्सर्ट करून ठेवणार आहोत. So what will happen? So when this shaft is rotating, this, because of the key, at present there is no key here. So if the key is not there, the shaft will directly rotate inside. Okay, but if the key is there, then what will happen? It will take along with this thing and it will rotate the muff also, or this coupling also. This coupling will in turn rotate the another shaft which is on this side. So this is kind of simplest coupling, muff coupling. But the disadvantage yesterday we have seen that the alignment of these two shafts should be perfect. They should be perfectly collinear. Then only you can use this type of muff coupling. This is a actually split muff coupling. So this can be split. Okay, so this way this can be split. Okay, so this splitting is there for easy assembly of the shaft and the coupling. Okay, so this is one kind of coupling. This is very simple type of coupling. So in exam it is not likely to be asked, but you must know what is muff coupling or split muff coupling. Then the another kind of coupling we discussed is the universal coupling. So here you can see this universal coupling. In this universal coupling you can see here the different components are there. So one by one let us see these components. I will dismantle these things. So after dismantling these components, this part is there, then this is yet another part. This is yet another part. Okay, so yesterday we have seen this is the part that the name of this part is, yes, can you recall? Yes, this is the fork. So yesterday we saw the drawing of this part. So this is the physical part, how it look like. So if you try to draw the front view of this thing, it will be like this. So if it is put like this, okay, on this side if it is put, it will look like this, and here this is the cylindrical portion. It has got a hole and a keyway. Okay, then here the hole is there. Okay, then the another part is the central block. This is the central block. Okay, the central block consists of a casting which is in which two cylinders are joined together and the holes are through. You can see this is hole and this is another hole. This is another through hole for this thing. Okay, and how they are fitted together. So here this is fitted like this. Okay, so this is the fork. In this fork we are fitting this central block, and we are going to put the pin through this thing. So this is the pin. Okay, there is slight variation between the drawing we have seen yesterday and the model actual we are having. Okay, so instead of having that collar and the taper pin for inserting that collar, here one small variation they have made, that this part is threaded and a nut is there. So this nut will be fitted over this threaded portion. So I will join them. Okay, so even if it is a pin, then it is fitted in the similar way. So on this side we are going to put the nut here, but in our case, in our drawing, it was actually the collar असं बसवत होतो आपण आणि त्याला एक आडवी पिन टाकत होतो. ते आपण काल ड्रॉइंग मध्ये बघितलं. तर याच्यामध्ये थोडंसं या कंपनीने तयार करताना थोडंसं व्हेरिएशन केलेलं आहे. सो इन्स्टेड ऑफ कॉलर देर इज द nut and bolt. So this is the another fork. Okay, this is another fork. This fork is very similar to the first one, but this is fitted 90 degrees rotated. Okay, so the first, if the first one is like this, second one will be like this. Okay, so here this is the first one, and here this we are going to put such that it will accommodate the central block. Okay, so this way it will accommodate the central block. Now as usual this pin we will have to insert through this thing. Okay, and on this side, okay, on this side this part is coming out. Okay, then on this side you will have to put the nut here, but in our drawing actually the collar is shown. Okay, but collar and nut they are doing the same purpose. So this way this is the total assembly. Now if you rotate the shaft will be inserted from this end, driver shaft will be inserted on this end, and the driven shaft will be inserted on another end. Now if these are rotated, then what will happen? If this is rotated, this another also shall rotate. हे असं एकत्र रोटेट होईल हे असं. Okay, and the what about the alignment of the shafts? They need not be perfectly aligned. Okay, even if there is angular misalignment, then also this universal coupling can be used. Okay, म्हणजे हे जे शाफ्ट आहेत ते एका सरळ रेषेत असायची पण गरज नाही आणि पॅरलल पण असायची गरज नाही. तिरके जरी असतील तरी सुद्धा इफ दिस इज रोटेटेड दिस विल ऑल्सो रोटेट. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द different components of the universal coupling.